Have you ever wondered why some animals are white as snow, even in the heart of summer? Well, these creatures aren't just playing dress-up. They're albinos. Albinism is a genetic condition where animals lack the pigment melanin, resulting in white or pale coloration. It's truly fascinating how this lack of color doesn't diminish their charm, but rather enhances their uniqueness. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 rare albino animals. Are you ready to be amazed? Kicking off our list at number 10 are albino alligators. Now, these aren't your everyday, run-of-the-mill gators. These are some of the rarest creatures you could ever come across. Albino alligators are unique due to their lack of pigmentation, giving them a ghostly white appearance that's truly a sight to behold. They're typically found in freshwater environments in the southeastern United States, though you might also spot them in zoos or wildlife reserves across the world. Their habitats are usually swamps, marshes, rivers, and lakes, where they can easily blend with the foggy waters thanks to their white skin. Now, what does a day in the life of an albino alligator look like? Well, their diet primarily consists of fish, birds, and other small mammals that they can easily snatch up in a lightning-quick chomp. They're opportunistic predators, so they'll eat just about anything that comes their way. As for their lifespan, albino alligators can live up to around 50 years in captivity. In the wild, though, their lifespan is considerably shorter due to the harsh conditions and the lack of camouflage against predators. Despite their rarity and challenges, albino alligators have an undeniable charm about them. Their ghostly appearance, their survival instincts, and their vital role in the ecosystem make them truly fascinating creatures. These white-skinned gators are a wonder to behold. Hopping in at number 9 are albino kangaroos. Now here's an animal that's as unusual as it is endearing. With their snow-white fur and pinkish-red eyes, these roos are a sight to behold. They stand out in stark contrast to their typical gray and brown counterparts, making them a true spectacle in the wild. Albino kangaroos, like their non-albino counterparts, are native to the vast landscapes of Australia. They call the arid plains and grasslands home, often bounding through wide open spaces with a grace that's uniquely theirs. Despite their distinct coloration, these marsupials lead lives similar to other kangaroos. Their diet consists mainly of grasses and shrubs. Occasionally, they might munch on leaves or even dig for roots and tubers. They are herbivorous creatures, and their eating habits play a crucial role in shaping the ecosystem around them. As for their lifespan, an albino kangaroo typically lives for around 6 to 8 years in the wild. However, in captivity, they have been known to live up to 12 years. Their lives may seem short, but they are filled with the simple joys of hopping around and grazing on their favorite greens. But like many other albino animals, they face their own set of challenges. Their lack of pigmentation makes them more visible to predators and more susceptible to the harsh Australian sun. But despite these hurdles, they continue to thrive, hopping their way through life with a charm that's uniquely theirs. These snowy roos are a rare sight down under. Swimming in at number 8 are albino turtles. Now these are truly unique creatures. Albino turtles, like other albino animals, are born without pigmentation due to a lack of melanin. This gives them their distinctive white appearance, making them stand out among their green and brown counterparts. These turtles are found in various habitats around the world, from tropical oceans to freshwater ponds. They are not a species in themselves, but rather a rare genetic variant of existing turtle species. Whether they're sea turtles gliding through the ocean currents, or tortoises ambling along the forest floor, their striking white shells make them a sight to behold. When it comes to their diet, albino turtles are quite versatile. They are omnivorous, feasting on a variety of foods, from small fish and insects to fruits and vegetables. For these turtles, variety is indeed the spice of life. Their lifespan, however, is a bit of a mystery. In general, turtles are known for their longevity, with some species living well over 100 years. But because albino turtles are so rare, and their albinism can make them more vulnerable to predators and disease, it's difficult to know for certain how long they live in the wild. Nonetheless, these white-shelled wonders continue to captivate us with their grace and beauty, reminding us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. These white-shelled wonders are a true rarity in our oceans. Slithering in at number 7 are albino snakes. Now, albino snakes are a fascinating group of reptiles, shrouded in an air of mystery and awe. Their albinism is the result of a genetic mutation that prevents the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for coloration in animals. This results in their distinctive white or yellowish appearance, often with patterns in a lighter color. These stunning creatures can be found across the globe, from the dense jungles of South America to the arid landscapes of Africa. They inhabit a variety of ecosystems, demonstrating their incredible adaptability. Whether they're lurking in the undergrowth or coiled up in a tree, these snow-white serpents are masters of their environment. Their diet mainly consists of small mammals, birds, and eggs. They're constrictors, meaning they squeeze their prey to death before swallowing it whole. It's a ruthless yet efficient method of hunting that served them well throughout the ages. Now let's talk about their lifespan. In the wild, albino snakes can live up to 15 years, which is quite impressive. In captivity, however, they've been known to live well into their 20s, given the proper care and environment. The world of albino snakes is indeed a remarkable one, filled with intriguing quirks and adaptations. Their striking appearance alone makes them stand out in the animal kingdom, but it's their resilience and adaptability that truly sets them apart. These snow-white serpents are an uncommon sight. Strutting in at number 6 are albino peacocks. Now, these are not your typical peacocks. Where most peacocks boast a vibrant array of colors, the albino peacock is a pristine and pure white, a sight that is as captivating as it is rare. Albino peacocks, like their colorful counterparts, are native to South Asia and can be found in the lush green rainforests of Sri Lanka and India. Despite their striking appearance, they blend seamlessly into their surroundings, their white plumage often mistaken for the blossoming flowers of the forest. Their diet is as varied as the terrain they inhabit. These birds are omnivores, and they do enjoy a diverse menu. From plant parts to insects and small reptiles to amphibians, these peacocks are not picky eaters. Their varied diet contributes to their overall health and vitality, giving them the energy they need to strut their stuff. When it comes to lifespan, albino peacocks can live up to 20 years in the wild, a testament to their adaptability and resilience, despite their albinism. In captivity, where they're free from predators and have a steady food supply, they can live even longer. These peacocks are more than just a white version of a colorful bird. They're a testament to the beauty of nature's variety, a reminder that even in the animal kingdom, being different can be extraordinarily beautiful. These pure white peacocks are a spectacular sight. Scurrying in at number 5 are albino squirrels. Now, these are not your everyday run-of-the-mill squirrels. Albino squirrels are a unique breed, distinctive not only for their snow-white fur, but also their red or pink eyes, a trademark characteristic of albinism in animals. Albino squirrels are found in various parts of the world, but are most commonly spotted in the United States, particularly in the Midwest. These squirrels have adapted to thrive in both urban and suburban areas, making their homes in parks, yards, and even college campuses. In terms of diet, these squirrels aren't picky eaters. They are omnivorous, which means they'll munch on pretty much anything they can get their paws on. From nuts and seeds to fruits and insects, they have a diverse menu to choose from. Their lifespan, however, is a bit of a mixed bag. You see, while some albino squirrels have been known to live up to 10 years in the wild, their bright white fur unfortunately makes them more visible to predators. This visibility, coupled with the fact that albinism can lead to vision problems, often means that their lifespan can be considerably shorter than their non-albino counterparts. But despite these challenges, albino squirrels are incredibly resilient creatures. They continue to thrive and adapt, adding a touch of magic to our natural world with their distinctive snowy appearance. These snow-white squirrels are a rare sight in our parks. Rolling in at number 4 are albino hedgehogs. Now, aren't these just the cutest little critters you've ever seen? They're like tiny snowballs with spikes, and they're as unique as they come. Albino hedgehogs are one of the rarest types of hedgehogs in the world. This is due to a lack of melanin, a pigment responsible for the color of skin, fur, and eyes in animals. And unlike their brown and black cousins, albino hedgehogs sport pure white quills and pink or red eyes. These pint-sized bundles of joy are native to parts of Europe, Asia, and Africa, where they can be found in a variety of habitats like grasslands, woodlands, and meadows. They're nocturnal creatures, preferring the cover of night to forage for their meals. Speaking of meals, albino hedgehogs are known to be quite the omnivores. They enjoy a diverse diet that includes insects, snails, frogs, and even small snakes. Despite their small size, they're quite the predators in the insect world. When it comes to their lifespan, albino hedgehogs typically live between 2 to 5 years in the wild. But in captivity, with proper care and nutrition, they can live up to 10 years. These white-spiked wonders are a truly unique sight. Their rarity and distinct appearance make them one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. They truly are a testament to the diverse beauty that nature has to offer. Waddling in at number 3 are albino penguins. Now picture a penguin. You're likely visualizing a black and white bird, right? Well, imagine that image but without the black. That's right, albino penguins are all white, a result of a rare genetic mutation that prevents the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for color in feathers and skin. This lack of pigmentation gives them their distinctive, ethereal appearance. They're typically found in the same habitats as their pigmented counterparts, the frigid, icy landscapes of Antarctica. However, their striking white plumage can sometimes make life a bit more challenging. Unlike their more traditionally colored relatives, camouflaging against predators can be a bit tricky for these snowy birds. As for their diet, it's pretty similar to other penguins, consisting primarily of krill, fish, and squid. They're excellent swimmers and can dive deep into the ocean in search of their next meal. In terms of lifespan, albino penguins usually live up to 20 years in the wild. However, their unique appearance can sometimes make them more susceptible to predators and health issues related to their albinism. Despite these challenges, these penguins live full, fascinating lives, a testament to the remarkable adaptability of nature. These snow-white birds are a rare sight even in the coldest of climates. They're a wonderful reminder of the diversity and wonder of the animal kingdom, and how even the most common of creatures can surprise us with their unique differences. Swimming in at number 2 are albino dolphins. These aquatic marvels are a rare sight to behold, as their glossy white skin sets them apart from their more common gray-skinned counterparts. Albino dolphins, also known as white dolphins, are not a separate species, but rather a result of a genetic mutation causing a lack of pigmentation in their skin. These dolphins are found in warm oceanic waters around the globe, particularly in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They are social creatures, often seen frolicking in groups or pods of up to a dozen members. Communication is key in their world, and they use a series of clicks, whistles, and body movements to interact with each other. When it comes to their diet, albino dolphins are not picky eaters. They primarily feed on small fish and squid, using their sharp teeth to grasp their prey. They are known for their agility and speed, which helps them hunt and avoid predators. As for their lifespan, it's comparable to that of regular dolphins, ranging anywhere from 20 to 50 years. However, their albinism can make them more susceptible to health issues and predators, as their lack of camouflage makes them stand out in the blue ocean waters. Albino dolphins are more than just an anomaly. They are a testament to nature's unpredictability and diversity, reminding us that even in the vastness of the ocean, there's always something new to discover. These white-skinned wonders are a truly unique sight in our oceans. And finally, prowling in at number 1 are albino tigers. Albino tigers are some of the most stunning creatures on our planet. Their snow-white fur a stark contrast to the usual fiery orange of their brethren. This unique coloring is the result of a rare genetic condition known as albinism, characterized by the absence of pigment in the skin, hair, and eyes. But don't let their ethereal beauty fool you. These tigers are as wild and ferocious as any other. These unusual felines typically inhabit the dense jungles and grasslands of Southeast Asia. However, due to their rarity and the threat of poaching, it's more common to find them in wildlife sanctuaries and zoos where they are protected and cared for. When it comes to diet, albino tigers are carnivores just like any other tiger. They feast on a variety of prey, from deer and wild boars to birds and reptiles. They're skilled hunters, using their strength and stealth to take down their prey. In terms of lifespan, albino tigers usually live between 15 to 20 years in the wild. In captivity, with the right care, they can live up to 25 years, a testament to the resilience of these majestic creatures. So the next time you see a snow-white tiger, remember it's not just a beautiful sight to behold, but also a symbol of the wonderful and diverse world of wildlife we share our planet with. These snow white big cats are the rarest of the rare. We've journeyed through the animal kingdom, encountering some of the rarest albino creatures on Earth. We took a gaze at the ghostly grace of albino alligators, hopped along with the ethereal elegance of albino kangaroos, and swam with the translucent tranquility of albino turtles. We've slithered alongside the spectral serenity of albino snakes, strutted with the otherworldly opulence of albino peacocks, and scampered with the spectral sprightliness of albino squirrels. Our journey didn't stop there. We ventured further to meet the ghostly charm of albino hedgehogs, waddled with the snowy serenity of albino penguins, swam with the radiant rarity of albino dolphins, and prowled with the majestic mystery of albino tigers. These creatures, each unique and rare, are a testament to the boundless beauty of nature's palette. They remind us that, in diversity, there is wonder and fascination. Remember, these animals are not just rare, but also incredibly beautiful, just like the world we live in. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.